Hey YouTube, back outside again here at the back of the truck. Excited to show you these 16-inch Northstar wheels, our Sprinter 3500 dually chassis, and these are 6-lug. And I'm excited to show you these if you're looking to get rid of your steel wheels or current wheels and upgrade to these forged aluminum, or if you're looking to upgrade your current aluminum wheels to these Northstar Mirror Polished wheels. Let's get into it.
All right, so the reason again for this video is to showcase our 16-inch Northstar Mirror Polished wheel package for Sprinter 3500 dual rear wheel chassis. This kit is an option for folks wanting to upgrade their Sprinter work trucks or those very nice motorhomes out there to mirror polished forged aluminum wheels. This could be Mercedes, Freightliner, or Dodge Sprinter chassis in most cases, but not all, and those Sprinters that are made from around 2007 to today. I'll tell you some things to look for and the specs for these wheels to ensure these wheels will work for your Sprinter before buying them. Okay, so this is our Northstar 16-inch diameter with a 5.5-inch width wheel. You'll see I've got 2 here today, but in the kit there will be 4. And this wheel part number is 660550. And this is a stock size replacement. As you can see, they are polished on both sides. This is actually the same wheel, and I've got 2 of them here, just one facing this way and one facing this way. And with this kit, the wheel on the right will be your front wheel, which we'll use 2 on the front, and then you'll spin it the other way, and the wheel on the left there will be your outer dual rear wheels. And with this 4-wheel kit, you'll continue to use your stock inner steel wheels, and that is because these wheels have a thicker disc face, so we found you can only replace your outer wheels with these aluminum wheels. And as you may or may not know, the standard tire size you see on most Sprinters is an LT 215 85R16, and those tires can go right on these wheels. As you'll see, they're 6-lug hub pilot, which means they use flat washer lug nuts. And the bolt pattern measurement from the center of this lug to the opposite lug is 205 millimeters. The center bore diameter from this side to this side is 161.1 millimeters. These wheels can be purchased individually or in wheel sets with hub covers, lug nuts, and rear wheel valve extender kits, which I'll show you here in a little bit. As you can see, it has 10 round decorative holes going around the outside. That's what the front looks like, which I've been showing you a little bit more. And here's what the outer rear wheel would look like from a distance. Obviously super shiny wheels. It's a little overcast today, but hopefully this gives you a good idea what the wheels will look like outside. Now I want to move on to the accessories that come in the kit. In the wheel kit, you'll receive 2 front hub covers and 2 rear hub covers, and you have the option of either choosing the Alcoa covers that come with the Alcoa sticker here that you'll see, or you can choose the plain stainless steel option. So if you want to leave them blank or possibly get your own sticker put on these hub covers, you have that option as well. Coming standard in the kit would be 24 of these chrome shanked lug nuts. You'll see it's hub pilot because it's got the washer here, and so you would use these lug nuts and replace your stock lug nuts with these. And another nice thing about this Sprinter wheel kit is that it does come with this dual valve stem and stabilizer kit, which makes checking and filling these rear tires a whole lot easier, both the outer rear and the inner dual. And in the stabilizer kit comes with 2 black stabilizers that actually fit in the vent hole to stabilize the extended valve from the inner wheel. 2 metal extended valves for the inner wheel that I just talked about that go through that stabilizer. 2 reverse curve valves for the outer wheel. So you'll see on this wheel here, it'll actually be facing the other way, and within that kit is a replacement curve valve stem so you have easier access. On the front wheel here, there's no need to replace the valve because it's already sticking out. And as a reminder, these items can be purchased individually on our website and not just as kits if you want to go that route. And our salespeople are here and available to help with questions if you have them about your Sprinter 3500 dual rear wheel van or motorhome.
All right guys, thanks for watching today. Short and sweet. Hopefully it answered your questions. If you have any more, feel free to reach out to us at BuyTruckWheels.com. And if you liked the video, smash that thumbs up button. We really appreciate it. And consider subscribing to the channel if these videos interest you. All right, and in next week's video, I'm gonna go back to some Alcoa wheels, 22 5x9 hub pilot wheels in particular, and the 2 options Alcoa offers, and kind of talk about those differences and the different applications that they have and what tires go on them. So look out for that video next week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.